I'm Preston Spratt for Sprattronics Learning Lab, and this week we're talking about cantilevers. Have you ever wondered how a bridge can stretch across a river without anything holding it up in the middle? Or why a tree branch can stick out so far without breaking? This kind of engineering magic is made possible by something called a cantilever. Today, we're going to explore what cantilevers are, how they work, and how engineers use them to build all kinds of amazing structures. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build your own cantilever, as well as spot them out and about while you're exploring. Here we go. A cantilever is a structure that's anchored at only one end, while the other end stretches out without any support. Imagine a ruler balanced on the edge of a table, with part of it hanging off. That's a mini cantilever. When something sticks out like this, forces come into play to keep it from tipping over. A cantilever is actually doing two things at once. The anchored end is super strong to hold everything up, while the part that sticks out has to be stiff enough not to bend too much. Engineers balance these forces using materials and shapes that can handle the pull, called tension, and the push, called compression. Engineers use cantilevers to build many things around us. Bridges, balconies, and some of the tallest buildings use cantilevers. Each cantilever structure is designed to be safe and to stay balanced. For example, this bridge in Scotland is one of the most famous cantilever bridges. It uses strong metal triangles to stay stable. This is called the Forth Bridge in Scotland because it goes over the Forth River. Cantilevers are important because they let us create space without needing extra supports. Imagine a diving board that had posts underneath the entire board. It wouldn't be much fun to jump off. Engineers use cantilevers to allow for open spaces like the parts of a bridge where boats need to pass underneath, or balconies where people can stand out high above the ground. Do you want to try making a cantilever at home? Go ahead and grab yourself a ruler and a table and make your own. You're going to put the ruler on the table so only one part is hanging off, and then use something sticky like clay to keep it in place. Then try putting a small weight at the other end like a coin or a toy. Can you make it balance? Experiment to see how far out you can extend it without tipping over. At Sprattronics Learning Lab here in Greenville, South Carolina, we're doing Cantilever Week, and we're seeing how far out our cantilevers can span without touching the ground. Our students are using materials like straws, spaghetti, popsicle sticks, hot glue, rubber cement, strings, and cables to make their cantilevers extend as far out as possible. Let's take a trip out to the southwest in Arizona and check out the Grand Canyon. Out here is one of the coolest cantilevers in the world. This is the Skywalk at the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon Skywalk is a horseshoe-shaped cantilever bridge with a glass walkway. It's at Eagle Point in Arizona near the Colorado River, on the edge of the Grand Canyon. This attraction opened in 2007. The vertical drop directly below the Skywalk is between 500 and 800 feet, depending on where you're standing. Next time you see a bridge, or a crane, or a tall tree with a big branch, see if you can spot the cantilever. Engineers have learned so much from nature about how to make structures, strong and balanced, and you can too. Keep exploring, and remember, engineering is everywhere. Thank you.